So although in southeast Queensland we're not used to dealing with cyclones, what we are used to is dealing with significant weather events. And our crews actually always head up north. We help our counterparts. So the field crews, the people behind the scenes, we are all very well experienced in dealing with these type of events. So with regards to proactive de-energisation, we won't be proactively de-energising installations unless it is absolutely necessary for the safety. Now, so safety of our people, safety of the public, or safety of our network. So at some point, over the coming 24 hours, we are expected to stop work completely. So this is normal in a cyclone event. We have to focus on the safety of our people. So at some point, we will be standing our crews down until it is safe to respond. So with the cyclone, it is going to be an extended event. So we have experienced extended events previously, such as the Gold Coast event just over 12 months ago. So this won't be a short, sharp response. It will be a prolonged event. So please be patient. We do appreciate all of the support that the community can provide in these times. And we just want to work together to achieve the best outcome. Stay safe.